Me again what happens when a tornado comes.
It can sometimes when it breaks the roof off, it breaks your house, and when it breaks your house, it picks up all of the things in your house, and it goes back outside and then throws it in the woods.
What happens to the power lines in your TV? What you were telling me.
You if the TV has power when there's no tornado, and when the tornado knocks the power line down, the power starts going off, and we won't have no electricity no more. But if just a tornado passed, that doesn't mean the tornado warning is over. Sometimes when you're under where a thing is dropping under you, you can die.
So what do we got to do to be safe?
Go in a pantry or a basement.
Okay. And what should we do with our heads?
Get like under a table and cover yourself with blankets and pillows, and get a helmet and put it on. So your head, so it doesn't break so it doesn't pull your head off.